Martin Wyatt, Esports Engine.
Paul Kent, Esports Engine.
So in today's seminar at KitPlus, we talked about the esports industry, how it's growing, how its evolution from a tech perspective is becoming kind of more ingrained in the growth of the industry as a whole, and how the UK is becoming a prominent destination for kind of all major esports events.
I think one of the great things for London, particularly in the esports media industry, is it's a great opportunity to get your foot in the door. I think with main broadcasters it's quite hard to get in the door, but esports, if you're willing to volunteer and just actually raise your hand, is a great place to learn, be it from audio to video.
My key takeaways from the show today are, that from a selfish perspective, in terms of esports, there are a growing number of kind of really interesting partners to potentially work with, especially as we look to kind of continue the professionalisation of the work that we do, when we try to lift the quality bar of the content we create and how we produce it. That more and more companies are starting to look at esports and video games as a credible way to make money for themselves and actually add value to our industry.
It's actually great to see so many products that you see online and you look at spreadsheets and spec sheets, but actually to come here and get hands-on and speak to the people who make that and actually think about how it will work in your workflow, it's an incredible opportunity which actually nowadays doesn't come around that often.